In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize your life with Notion and Calendar, 5 minutes. We're going to connect Notion Calendar with your Google Calendar and then use it to plan your time, link notes to events, and let AI help with goals and meeting prep. By the end, you'll have a simple, reliable setup that keeps everything in one place. First, open Notion Calendar. You can use the desktop app or the web version, whatever you prefer. Once it's open, choose the option to sign in with your Google account. Pick the account you actually use for scheduling to avoid mixing personal and work calendars. Next, follow the prompts to grant access. You'll see a standard Google permission screen. This lets Notion Calendar read and write your events so everything stays in sync. If you manage multiple calendars under that account, they'll be available after you connect. You can adjust which ones are visible later. After you approve access, your existing Google Calendar events will appear right inside Notion Calendar. Give it a few seconds. If you have a lot on your schedule, you'll notice familiar layouts like day, week, and month views, and your color coding should carry over so you can instantly recognize different categories. From now on, edits work both ways. If you reschedule a meeting in Notion Calendar, you'll see it update in Google Calendar and the other way around. Sync is usually quick, but if something seems delayed, a quick refresh helps. To create a new event, simply drag across an open time slot. Type a clear title, adjust the start and end times, and add any details you might need. This is great for blocking focused work, planning content, or reserving time for personal goals. Treat these blocks like real appointments to protect your time. Here's where Notion shines. Attach related Notion pages directly to your event. Link a meeting notes page, a project tracker, or a database view so everything you need is one click away when the event starts. No more scrambling for context. Use time blocks intentionally. Schedule deep work for your most alert hours and group related tasks together. Label these blocks clearly so you know exactly what to tackle when the block begins. For planning, try AI to brainstorm goals and break them into actionable steps. Ask for milestones, timelines, or a first draft checklist. During and after meetings, use AI to draft agendas, summarize notes, and extract action items you can convert into events or tasks. That's it. Your scheduling, notes, and planning are now in one organized flow. Open Notion Calendar, connect Google, start time blocking, and link your work where it belongs. You're ready to run your day on purpose.